It's early morning. Barely the sun's trying to peek out. Rain last night. There's a lot of water on the wash. What's up on that hill there? I saw the coyote come from way back on the other side, 300 yards, and I just turned down baby cottontail and let him come. He took his time, slow. He's walking, no rush. Got ready for him. I stopped him here. It was 76 yards when I wrenched after the shot. Put it right there in the chest. Soaked it up. No exit. Bowel movement, typical when they die. So, yeah. Pretty cool. Early morning set here. I was hoping it would be a good day because it rained last night and it was right. Pretty dog. Still young, but really good shape. Nice coat. Even though summertime, he's really good looking, really healthy. Started with baby cottontail and he came to that. Didn't rush, took his time. After the shot, I think it was about four and a half minutes on the timer. I went back to calling, see if I can pick up another one, but nothing else showed up, so that's it. It's still early though. We'll get another one right there. Put the crosser right there. Took it like a chump. No exit hole on it. Good times. Go find me another one. They seem to be reacting. Where you at? Where you at, man? You should be here. I'm still licking. Pretty day. Let me get out of here before it gets too hot. I'm gonna at least make another 1 or 2 more calls. All right, let's go.